Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Evershine. My name is Surbhi. Today we will discuss another type of machine input output. But before starting, I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. Let's start. An input output is given. Some mathematical operations are performed in each step. Following is an illustration. Now we will see how to solve these types of input output. These are some connecting lines between the boxes which shows there is some sort of relationship between the boxes. Now we have to find what is the logic, what are the operations they have performed, and same operations we have to perform on this input and we have to find the output. Now let's check what is the logic behind step 1. If we see 2 multiplied by 1, no, there is no 2, multiplication is not possible. Now let's see if addition is possible. 2 plus 1 is 3, 5, no, addition is also not possible. So what is the logic behind this? If we do square of number 2 and square of number 5, it will give you 2 plus 25, 4 plus 25 is 29. Now see, 1 square plus 8 square, 1 plus 64 is 65. If we subtract 29 from 65, we will get 36. Yes, here is also number 36. Now check this for another pair. 4 square plus 7 square, 16 plus 49, which will give you 65. 9 square plus 3 square is 81 plus 9, which will give you 90. Now if you subtract 65 from 90, you will get 25. Here is also 25. Now square of 3 is 9, square of 6 is 36, which will give you 45. Square of 2 is 4 and square of 6 is 36, 40. When you will subtract 40 from 45, you will get number 5. So this was the logic behind step 1. Now see step 2. These two boxes are now connected with these two lines. So see what is the logic behind this. See, if we multiply 3 with 5, we will get 15. Now if we add 15, 1 plus 5, it will give you 6. See. Step 2. If we multiply 3 by 5, we will get 15. 6 multiplied 2, 12. If we add 1 plus 5, we can get 6. If we add 1 plus 2, we can get 3. 6, 3. Now see this one. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. Here is also 1. 5 into 0 is 0. So here will come 0. Now see the next step. See, this is the trickiest part of this question. Here are the two logics. First logic, you can easily see 6 plus 3 is 9 and 1 plus 0 is 1. Another logic is here. If we subtract 3 from 6, you will get difference of these two numbers is 3. Now if we square number 3, we can get 9. 1 minus 0 is 1. If we do square of number 1, we will get 1. Right? Step 3. Now we have to select according to the options that which logic will work. This is the step 3. You can either add two numbers or you can find the difference of these two numbers and you can do square of that number also. Fine. Now see the last step. 9 plus 1 is 10, but here is number 5. So we can say we have to divide number 10 by 2, or in another words you can say the average of both two numbers. See, 9 plus 1 divided by 2, 10 by 2, which will give you 5. Now we have to perform these operations on this input. Let's see how to do. input is 42, 83, 49, 72, 16, 54. Now see what we have done in step 1, squaring the numbers and then subtracting the result. Apply the same logic here. 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4. You will get 20. 7 square is 49, 2 square is 4. You will get 53. Now subtract 20 from 53, you will get 33. So here comes the number 33. Now see the next. 8 square 64. 3 square is 9, 73, 1 square is 1 and 6 square is 36, which will give you 37. Now subtract 37 from 73, you will get 36. 4 square 16, 9 square is 81, 97, 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16. You will get 40. Yes. Subtraction, you will get 5, 7. Here was the number 4. 4 square is 41. You will get 56 over here. Now see what was the logic behind step 2. We have to multiply 3 by 6, we will get 18. If we add 1 plus 8, we will get 9. So here comes the number 9. Now see, 3 into 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. 6 into 5 is 30. 3 plus 0 is 3. You will get 3. Now see the next step. Here we have two logics. We will write both the logics and see how we can get the answer. One logic was 9 plus 9 is 18. Another logic was 9 minus 9 is 0. Square of 0 is 0. 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 minus 3 is 6. Square of 6 is 36. Now the last step was average of both numbers. So it will 36 plus 0, 36 divided by 2 will give you 18. If you take these two numbers, 30 divided by 2, you will get 15. Now see the questions and then select the answers accordingly. First question is, what is the product of the two numbers obtained in step 3? जो step 3 में आपके पास two numbers आए हैं, उनका आपने product करना है. 1, 2, this was step 3 and this was the last step, that is step 4. Now the two numbers we obtained in step 3 are 36 and 0. So according to that the answer will be 0. Now the another is 18 multiplied 2. When we will multiply 18 by 2, we are going to get a 3-digit number which is not in the options. But yes, there is also option other than the given options. So you can mark any logic from here. But here it is clear that we are seeing this option is available. So we will mark C, 0 over here. Fine. Now see the next question. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest number obtained in step 1? Step 1 ka largest number and smallest number, then find the difference between them. Now this was the step 1. Largest number was 56 and the smallest number was 33. When you will subtract 33 from 53, you will get 23. So the right answer over here is option A, that is 23. Now see the last question. Largest number obtained in step 3 is approximately what percent of the smallest number obtained in step 2? Largest number in step 3, which is 36. This number is what percent of the smallest number obtained in step 2? Now what is the smallest number in step 2? 93. Multiply by 100. When you will divide 1200 by 31, you are going to get approximately 38.7%. So the right answer is option B, that is 38.7%. I hope you like this question. If you like this question, then please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any query, any feedback, you can write it in the comment section or you can email me at the email ID given in the description box. Thank you for watching my video.